So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about BHEL share. So we know that today it has showed some gap down opening. So we know that there are few updates related to BHEL. So what are those particular updates? So I'll try to explain each and everything in detail. So not only BHEL but many stocks, especially related to power segment, have shown the downtrend, and even Nifty has showed the gap down opening because of most of the Adani stocks were under pressure. So because of various tweets and reports, it has showed that particular correction, but nothing to worry about that. So what strategy we should follow in these type of stocks, that also we'll discuss in coming videos. So today mainly we'll discuss the complete technicals of BHEL, and also we'll see what can be the next possible targets. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group if you have not done that, because in Telegram I'll post all the latest updates. Okay, so today morning itself around 9:54 a.m. I've posted a note related to BHEL that if you want to buy, you can focus near the 60-65 rupees region. So almost it has approached the 61 rupees level, from where again market also has started retracing, and many stocks have also from the gap down opening, so they have gone a little bit forward. So currently BHEL is trading near the 68 rupees region. So don't worry about doing any sort of panic selling. So don't do that, because what happens in these type of scenarios is whenever market shows any gap down opening, so mindset changes. So many people think that we need to exit at this point of time so that we can prevent our capital. So don't do those things. So already I told you strategy, whenever you're investing in any stocks which are at high regions, always invest in small quantities, because even if they correct, ultimately your loss would be negligible, and when it reaches the best region, whenever you add there, definitely you will be having some very good quantity, and average price also will be settled. So try to understand whatever I tell, so because it's for your benefit only. So whenever I discuss the levels, there only you can enter. Okay, so now let's go to what are the updates related to BHEL, and after that we'll move on to charts. Okay, so first if we see the BHEL results, whatever it has declared, so we know that the net loss has narrowed to almost 1036.32 crore in the March 2021 quarter, and already the revenues have stood at a higher position, but the company's consolidated loss has stood at 1532 crore in the March 2020, that is 31st March 2020 quarter. So one of this reason has made that stock open in a gap down region, and the same way the market conditions followed by Adani stocks pressure made complete market in a gap down opening. But later little bit when market has settled near the 0.3%, so many stocks have retraced. So don't worry about that. So now let's go to technical charts also. Before that, we'll see how the deliveries have been taken in BHEL. Okay, so discussing about deliveries about BHEL, so you can see on 11th June we have seen 25.2% deliveries, and the stock has closed near the 76 rupees region with almost 0.5% positive movement. So much volatility was also not seen in the last 2 to 3 trading sessions, but today a good downfall was present in the stock. But deliveries are constant, but we can see it has increased. Basically, if you see in the last 2 sessions, it has gone to around 26.2%, but earlier roughly it was in 14 to 15% range. Okay, so now let's go to technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of BHEL. Okay, so when you see the technical charts on weekly time frame, you can see a very good pivot support which is present near the 64.30. So that's why I suggested in Telegram, if you want to focus in that particular range, you can watch that. So today, after approaching that particular region, letting buying was seen. So again it has started going up, and currently you can see the next immediate resistance the stock will be facing is going to be 70 rupees level. So that is going to be very important. So today it may fluctuate in that particular range itself, but better to add in small quantities, because we can't judge anything. So whatever happens, we need to accumulate on a regular basis. Always follow one thing: whenever market is in correction, you should not search for selling opportunities, you should search for buying opportunities, because whatever the correction we get is for our benefit, so that we can also buy any stock at better prices. So since market market is also present at all-time high. So keeping all these conditions in mind, so better to invest 10 to 15% of capital at initial stages. But again, if it corrects again, you can average. So follow this thing. So definitely you will have the profit. Okay, so moving further towards one day chart. So in daily time frame, you can see a great big red candle has been formed. But again, the buying which has been seen from the lower levels has created the wick. So from where the buying has been generated. So you can see 50-day exponential moving average is present here, 63.86 rupees level. So from that particular region itself, again, the buying has been generated. So on both the weekly time frame as well as on daily time frame, the stock is taking the very good support near the 63.86 rupees region. So that's why that buying momentum has been generated, followed by market condition was also little stable after reaching the negative region. So money flow index, you can see that is near 59. So it is in mid range, not completely entered the overbought region, still it is stable. So only thing is that little negative news related to stock, especially financials as well as the market condition, has made it fall 15%. So nothing to panic about it. Whatever the strategy we discussed, try to follow it. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksJRYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.